One. All right, check this out. These are probably one of the best hearing aids that I've seen so far because they're very petite. They come in a beautiful cover here. Stainless steel in the front, all right? They're gonna tell you left to right and case, right? That's pretty much what you're gonna get. You're gonna charge your device. It's gonna tell you the device charge. When you open them up, they look like regular headphones, all right? And of course, you can use them as regular headphones too. They have Bluetooth connection also too, but these are perfect for people with hearing issues. You want to listen to your environment. You want a noise cancellation. You're driving or you want to listen to your surroundings. This is one way to do it. Now, if you're in an airplane, you could turn off completely this thing off and it'll have noise cancellation for travels, right? This is perfect. It has controls in here. And these controls you should be aware. They both have different controls. They have a plus and a minus. So that means if you cannot hear enough, hit it up. Increase the volume on it. Increase the volume, decrease the volume, very simple. They both don't have to be in the same range because ears, tend to lose hearing aid on one end than the other. Not all ears lose the same kind of hearing at the same time. You might have a left good ear and a right bad ear. So this is it actually balances everything out. So it's one of the things I like. Now they do have a different entering points for your earlobes, all right? This is to you make sure you're getting the maximum hearing here and not the external part of it or doubling the actual audio. Now, if you guys can see, the design is beautiful. Now these you can be using them not just for listening but also for Bluetooth connection. And I like that they give you the case in itself. It's a plus because you don't have to be worrying about charging them all the time. Just put them in your case in your pocket and you have them ready to go. You could use them as you please. You don't have to use them constantly. To charge them, it's Type C, and there's a power connection in here. That's pretty much it. All right, now before you start, you got to download the application. All right, here's the app. They make it for actual Apple, Android, and right now we're gonna set it up for Android. So we're gonna go ahead and install it behind the ear or in there. So we're gonna put in the ear hearing aids. All right, it's not behind the ear. So we're gonna do the test right now, left and right. Next, open them up. So I'm going to set them up. It's going to search for them right now. As you can, and right now, as you can see, I actually can hear myself now. They automatically picked up. Now we have the controller here. So we have basic controller for personalized controller. Restaurant control. So you have access to, if you want a different ambience on this one. Outdoor, this is perfect if you're going to be jogging, running, or at an event or something. Music. This one's another music. So it has plenty of different templates. Transparency mode. Let me see if it's different. So it's not a big different. Personalize. You can change it right now. We have 7 on the right. So we're going to lower it down. 6, 6. And right now, we could change it if we personalize it and set it up as ourselves. Right now, it's keeping the actual template, one lower than the other one. You could do certain things and change the volume on it. There's, like I said, it has different controls. Go back to controls. We're going to personalize our device. We could change it. Personalize would be more like if you want to set it up for yourself in different tones. So it doesn't have to be those templates that they create for you. Find a quiet place and test it. All right, so I just did the test that they asked me to, and I did pretty well. It says I have no issues. My right ear was a little bit 15% off, so that's not bad. I still am an age. I'm a little worried sometimes. So the test that it ran pretty much different tones. If you can't hear them, you say no. If you hear them, you say yes, and so forth. So this is pretty accurate. If you guys can see, it gave me a lot of information that I wasn't aware of. So I know that my right ear, and I know for a fact my right ear is the one that's the weakest one. So it's one of those things that you can see and apply to device, confirm. So it could tone it out for you as you please. So I like that it does this test, even though that you don't have time sometimes, and it's necessary to run it. So now when we set it up, we know that it's gonna tone out certain places. And if you guys can see, right now it's because I was okay and I could hear very good. it balances it out, right? So if I had a weaker ear, it would have got a little bit off, but because the percentage wasn't that bad, it's giving you a perfect reading. So I'm able to hear with it. I hear actually double echo because I'm listening to myself through the microphone and then through the headphones. So very simple. Start this process first on the actual system before you start using it, all right? And if you don't find that you don't have to have the phone, you could do it with your actual manually do the buttons too. But recommendations, start with the app. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.